Welcome to the Audi RS3. This example is a 2018 in Navara Blue Metallic, and this one is not quite stock, but we'll get to that later. It is tastefully modified, and we can go through the build sheet a little after. Down low, our tires, this one is upgraded. These come originally with 225s, been upgraded to 35s on these beautiful BBS. I think they are RIA, if I'm not mistaken. Don't completely remember the exact model name, but they do fit this car well. Now this car does have the original chrome retained with our beautiful Audi Sport mirror caps. There is a chrome delete up front in the grille, but not too fussy about that. Now for our signature Audi hidden hood latch, this car does have a few modifications to it, but nothing ridiculous. We have a intake by engine, charge pipe, intercooler, turbo elbow, a muff delete, and a catless downpipe for our 2-liter inline 4, making 290 horsepower, made it to a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. Now this is 4 cylinders. If you want 5, you'll have to bump up to the RS3, but you only get 4 with the S3. Now moving into the interior, as this is an Audi, we do have a premium experience with 8-way power seats and auto windows all around, which means with just one click they automatically do all the work for you going up and down. Now this car is from the era of Audi doing their strange James Bond shtick, where the infotainment system was not on your dash and fixed. No, that's pedestrian. That's ridiculous. Why would you do that? When you turn on the car, the screen pops up from its hiding place to greet you, which didn't really age well. So in later cars, thankfully Audi threw that away and just put the screen in the dashboard like they should have done before. But we do have dual zone climate control, and because of the screen being there and being the size of your phone, frankly, the car is controlled by this weird wheel, which is not, I'm not a fan of this at all. It's kind of like way back in like 2000s when BMW first introduced the iDrive system, and I'm familiar with this system because my dad had one of these when I was younger. He had a 2012 Q5, and I remember it was so strange because it was the first time I've ever seen a screen in the car, but you couldn't touch it. You had to control it down here, which didn't make a ton of sense to me. Right here we do have a flat bottom steering wheel for true sporty spirit and racing pedigree. We'd have paddle extensions. Not a huge fan of those, but you know, it's fine. This car was not optioned with the digital gauge cluster, so we do have old-fashioned dials with our S badge there and our boost gauge, so you can keep track of your turbo. Now one option this car does have is Bang & Olufsen sound. Now I guess because of size restraints with the S3 and A3 platform altogether, you don't have the automatic systems that pop up out of the dashboard that you would have on, say, the S7 or Q7. So we just have our Bang & Olufsen in the doors and not up here. We don't have the cool factor. Now, strange enough, in this 2018 car, we have a cigarette lighter. Now, A while ago, these were kind of phased out in cars, but this one has it. I guess in recent years, Germans actually like to smoke, so they kept the cigarette lighter in the S3. We have our black leather seats with our magma red accents, and we do have a Chelsea in the back because this car is a daily driver and a dad wagon. So now onto the back. As I said before, this car is on the Golf platform, so rear seat space is, as I say, limited. Don't have a ton of room back here. We have about my hand space around here, so I'm not going to bother to try getting in here, because I know if I got in, I probably wouldn't be able to get back out. So that is it for the Audi S3. Now we're gonna get this thing on the road and we'll see it in action versus just being parked here at the first spot. Quick.
Yeah, man, it's a traction chip, you know.
Shit. Alright, disclaimer to all of viewers, these activities are performed in Mexico, the undisclosed location. This video is posted long after the date they are performed.